Do you want to create your first Amazon KDP coloring book using this type of images and for absolutely free? Then this tutorial is only for you. So let's start with it. So first I will come to kdp.amazon.com and I will search for a dimension which will be square in shape. So there as you can see here, two dimensions are there: 8.25 cross 8.25 and 8.5 cross 8.5. Okay, so these two are present, and below, scrolling down, you will find here the gutter margins, means the bleed margins. It is said in the printing label, you can say gutter margin or bleed margin. So here as you can see, 0.375 or 9.6 millimeters. So I will convert all the sizes into millimeters so that it becomes easier for me to work in Canva or any other software. So I will scroll up and use this size, which is 8.5 cross 8.5, and I have used the Google size converter here, and I will paste the size as 8.5 inches, and as you can see here it is 215.9. So I will just copy it and here come to custom size and paste it here and here. Okay, and after that here convert to millimeter and click on create new design. So as you can see, the dimension or the canvas is here, and as you can see the scales are also present here, the ruler part. And if you don't find this ruler part, just click on shift plus R. So as you can see, it is just disappearing for me because the scale or the ruler is already present for me, and press it again to reappear it. So as you can see, it is in the dimension, and as you can see the bleed margin here, scrolling down, it's 9.6. So we will maintain that bleed margin, which is 9.6. So let's keep at 10 to avoid any type of confusion. Okay, and here also same, follow the same here also, and also here. Okay, so the design is here with the bleed margin, and if you want to check it again, just go to elements. Okay, use the square shape, make it smaller, and place it right here. So and you can check it with this if the squares are all equal or not. Okay, so all the squares are equal, so I will just delete it because we don't require this. Now as the dimension of the canvas is made, now it's time to make the image. So I will go to Canva homepage, and here I will come to Canva AI. Okay, and click on create an image, and you can just click on the homepage on Canva AI, or you can just click on here. So my image prompt will be create an image for coloring book. After writing this, we will use the prompt for deer. Okay, so I will use the double quotations, and here I will write a deer with mandala pattern inside of it, and make sure you are adding this no color and no shading. Okay, so that's the prompt you have to write, and make sure it is the dimension is changed to 1:1, because if you use the 16:9, it will be converting to a rectangle type image, but you want a square type image. So that's all, and just click on submit. Okay, so as you can see here, many images are present here, and also I want to show you that I have created many images for your example, and Here is a giraffe one, is deer, and you can see many type of images are created here. And main part which I want to show you is that here it is showing 484, as you can see in here. So 484 is showing because if you have a Canva Pro account, you will get 500 credits per day to use the Canva AI. And if you are using the Canva free account, then you will get 50 credits per day, which means you are getting per credit 4 images, means 50 into 4, 200 images you can make per day. With 500 credits, I can make 2000 images per day. So I want to share the free part, which is you can do 200 images per day, so which is more than enough, I think. And in this year, if you want to make for other animals, you can just do that, create an image, write the same. Here just change for deer, here write tiger, and follow the same. And just copy it for future purposes and click on submit. And as you can see, here are so many images created here, and if you like this, you can use that. If you don't like this, just you can recreate it. So as you can see, I have created one prompt, so one credit got down. So like this it works. So I like the prompts, and I make this type of images, and you can just make similar things. Let me show you with panda. So as you can see here, it is also present here. So you can work just like that and make your own design. Okay, so one thing, another thing which I want to share. So I am from India, and here it is showing me Amazon.in. But if you are using from other place, the link will change to Amazon.us.jp for Japan, and like this, it will change. Okay, so let me just search for this coloring book. Okay, so as you can find, there are many options here present. And as you can see, it is properly guessed in the, means in the review market or the sale market. If you want to guess how much a product is selling, just multiply the reviews with into 5. So which means that it is a popular practice which is practiced all over the business markets. So this book sold for almost 9,000 times, which is a minimum amount which we can guess from this, and 9,400 times almost. So this one sold almost 25,000 times. And if you search for coloring book for adults, so currently it is trending, so we will search for that. And as you can see here, the mandala art is trending, so that's why I showed you with the mandala art. And as you can see, the reviews here 6,909, so 34,000 times approx it got sold. And you can just make this type of images and just sell it on Amazon KDP and easily. And you can just wait for 72 hours to get approved. And even they approve this AI also, you have to just label it as AI and nothing else. They will not penalize you, and you can just post and earn from this Amazon KDP and using Canva AI. Okay, so you can also try different types of AI processes if you want, but the Canva AI is by far the best I have seen in creating this type of images. And I have also tried with ChatGPT. I have also tried with Meta, but this coloring book pattern is based with Canva. So that's why I shared you with the Canva tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial and you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.